Hello. Welcome to another video from our channel. Here you will have tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally, increasing your disposition, your stamina, and your immunity. Together we will be unveiling the secrets of how to benefit from everything that nature provides us to achieve our goal of enjoying a healthy life. Today we are going to talk about saffron, its scientific name, its medicinal and nutritional properties. To begin with, saffron is a perennial plant in the Zingiberaceae family, and its scientific name is Curcumin. It is native to Southeast Asia and has been widely used in Indian and Asian cuisines for centuries. Saffron is known for its intense yellow color and slightly bitter, earthy taste. In addition to its culinary use, turmeric has traditionally been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for thousands of years. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been studied for its potential effects in treating a number of conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, Alzheimer's and cancer. Studies also show that saffron can help improve brain function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, it can help improve digestion, lower inflammation in the body, and reduce the risk of chronic disease. When it comes to nutritional value, turmeric is an excellent source of manganese, iron, and vitamin B6. It also contains active compounds like gingerol that are beneficial for health. Saffron has several healing properties and can be used for: Number 1, antidepressants. Several studies have shown that crocin and saffronol, compounds found in saffron, have similar effects to some antidepressants, such as fluoxetine and imipramine, because they help to inhibit the reuptake of dopamine and norepinephrine, two types of neurotransmitters that regulate mood, humor. In this way, saffron can help treat depression, anxiety, and mood swings. 2. Helps control diabetes. Saffron has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helps protect pancreatic cells and improves insulin production, regulates blood sugar, helps control diabetes. 3. Promotes fat loss. Some studies suggest that saffron may aid weight loss because it improves mood and reduces cravings, thus reducing calorie intake throughout the day. Furthermore, another study showed that saffron supplementation can also help reduce body mass index, BMI, waist circumference and total fat mass. However, it is important to remember that to promote weight loss, saffron consumption must be combined with a healthy and varied diet, as well as regular exercise. 4. Relieve PMS symptoms. Due to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antidepressant properties, saffron can help reduce some of the most common PMS symptoms, such as irritability, anxiety, headaches, cramps, and cravings for sweets. 5. Aid in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Saffron has antioxidant properties that help reduce free radical damage to nerve cells, as well as increase levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for memory, and reduce levels in Alzheimer's disease. In addition, saffron has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the production of inflammatory and toxic substances for nerve cells. However, more research is still needed to prove this benefit. 6. Prevent Parkinson's disease. Crocodin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, found in turmeric, help protect nerve cells and prevent and even treat Parkinson's disease by improving hand-eye coordination deficits. However, studies are still needed to demonstrate this benefit. 7. Avoid cardiovascular diseases. Because it has antioxidant action, saffron helps to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the blood, preventing the formation of fatty plaques in the arteries and preventing the emergence of cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart attack, or stroke. 8. Improve sexual health. Saffron has aphrodisiac properties that help increase well-being, desire and libido, especially in people using antidepressants, improving erectile dysfunction in men and intimate lubrication in women. 9. helps fight cancer. Several laboratory studies with skin, bowel, breast, cervical, prostate and lung cancer cells have shown that the antioxidants in turmeric can help reduce the proliferation or promote the death of these cells. Also, turmeric can make cancer cells more susceptible to chemotherapy. However, human studies are still needed to demonstrate this benefit. It can be used in the form of teas and supplements. Saffron tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of saffron, 500 ml of water. Cooking method: in a saucepan or kettle, bring water to a boil. After turning off the fire, add the saffron. Cover and let rest for 5 minutes. Strain, wait to cool down to a temperature you like and drink a cup of saffron tea once a day. As saffron tea has a slightly bitter taste, you can add other ingredients such as cinnamon, ginger, or honey to make the drink more enjoyable. Another way to use saffron is in the form of supplements in capsules, generally recommending a dose of 20 to 200 mg per day, for a period of up to 3 months. However, the time and dosage of the supplement varies according to the age of the person and the purpose to be treated, and therefore, it should only be used under the guidance of a doctor. Who should not use? When used in teas or supplements, turmeric should not be used by women who are breastfeeding or pregnant, as it can promote uterine contractions, increasing the risk of miscarriage or bleeding. Also, people with kidney disease or who are using anticoagulant medications should talk to a doctor before using turmeric in the form of teas or supplements. As this plant can increase the risk of bipolar hypomania, people suffering from bipolar disorder should only use saffron on the advice of a doctor. In summary, saffron is a plant with many potential health benefits. The curcumin found in turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic disease and improve brain function. In addition, saffron is an excellent source of important nutrients, so consider adding turmeric to your diet to reap its health benefits. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.